Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a great week so far. I had a request to do some Irish soda bread, so I'm going to be doing that. So it's a little early in the evening, so I'm going to do it now so it has a chance to cool. And then I'm going to make dinner, and I got something else I'm going to make too. Man, weird itch. And so, yeah. Because I actually made this bread once just to try it out. It was quite good. I'm going to do a little tweaks to it. So let's get started. Okay, so this recipe I got from B. Dylan Hollis right here on YouTube. Pretty good guy. I got the I did a peanut butter bread and I used his recipe too. So he did a 4-cup recipe. So this is 2 cups of flour. So I'm cutting it in half. So I'm going to do a... oh, never mind. Say teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. I'll just eyeball it. So 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and then a cup of buttermilk. So give it a little shake. Actually, I forgot I was going to do something else too. I wanted to stir the soda and the flour in first. Then I want it to clump in there. And 1 cup of buttermilk. Now he said to use his hands to mix it, and I did do that first. But I'm just going to use this spoon. And throw flour all over myself. Mix that up. There we go. It's all mixed in there. So I need to grab something. Alright. I just wanted to grab a spoon to get all the dough off that. So. Alright. There we go. Okay. And now for the dough, it said to, he literally said to bless the dough. Then he had to Google it, and he basically just gave it a cut. So we're going to do 2 nice cuts on the top. And I got my cast iron pan here. Okay, so here's how she's looking. So the original directions said 400 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. But I'm going to do mine at 375 for about 35 minutes. I'm thinking because I have less flour. So let's go ahead and just get it in the oven. Let's take a look at this bread. Oh man, look at that. Look how much it's grown. Just want to make sure it's done in the middle. Yep. It was a good call going less time and lower temperature because it's not as dark as it was the other day. I really want to eat some of it, but that would be foolish until it's cooled. So, but I'll go ahead. I'll move this to a wire rack and let it chill out. All right, so we're starting with 1 potato, shredded. Alright, and we're back. So I'm doing these crispy potato things. I found a recipe on online. I googled Irish recipes, and I found these like crispy, cheesy potatoes. But then I went to go get the webpage up to get the recipe, and I couldn't find it. I must not have saved it. So we're just gonna wing it. Alright, so I washed these off. I put a little bit of just water, drained it, more water, drained it, just to wash salt off. I got some seasonings here. I got some extra sharp white cheddar cheese right there. And then we're gonna add we're gonna add flour. I can't remember if I add an egg or not. Adding an egg makes sense because it would act as the binder. In fact, I'm gonna dig an egg out and do that. All right, so 1 egg. So I'm gonna pre-beat. Stir that in. That way they should stay, they won't crumble apart. Alright, so I got a breaded piece of chicken going. My pan is definitely hot now. I'm gonna move the, might be a little too hot. What I want to do is I want to take a scooper I'm gonna get about 4 of these. Something like that. Give these guys a flip. Look pretty good. Go ahead and pull these off. Flip the second batch over. Well, there's dinner. I got the breaded chicken breast with sauteed mushrooms, some broccoli, and those potato patties. And of course, the look how bread came out. Look at that. You might have noticed I already cut a piece off because I couldn't resist. Right. You know, honestly, with the potatoes, I probably could have just made hash browns and put the cheese right on top. But you know, I'm trying something a little different. So here's the bread. It's really good. For just 4 ingredients too. Potatoes. Although with these being like this, you could probably make like a breakfast sandwich. Put these right on top. Oh yeah, that's good. Cheesy. Well seasoned. Alright, well, I'm going to enjoy my dinner. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for Cast Iron Wednesday. And last week's video will be up there too. And as always, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, just ask away. And we'll catch you in the next one. And next month is sausage, so we'll see what happens.